nation.
Kalong Jingja Kabasnosi by MP Shakalok Sabha, Naga Shillong Parliamentary Constituency, who Dr. Ricky A. J. Syngkon ula Khlad no, Hakajan Miet Jongka Khat Khandai Tarek, Urampang Arajar Arpundario, Katagas Nipalay, Hadian Bu Lakalan Kansana Kapor Burang Akai, football Hamulai Moyong. La Pinkit Nankong A. Dr. Ricky, Shagamoyong CHC, Reina Marketing Bomdon Doctor, Kumtala Pinkit no Shaka Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital Hajayao, Dari hadian katuk ne por doktor kibakmi kila pentip baulah Khlad no.
To play a role in enriching and promoting the culture of my people, especially when we talk of culture, language is one of the important elements. For many years, we've been demanding for the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I hope, with the support of members, that one day, just like while I was sitting here, from day one, hearing our friends speaking their own language, how I wish that one day, very soon, that you will also get to hear the language that I speak, the Khasi language. And I hope that the government, members in the opposition, would support the inclusion of the Khasi language in the 8th schedule.